in 20, I won't talk about the past where the 20% rule was and all those things. I'll talk about 2020, where if I go into my Instagram, I treat this Instagram feed as my website. वहां से कोई दिक्कत है? ब्लैक में आ लूं? ओके। मेरे को वैसा लग रहा है मैं शूट कर रहा हूँ, फिल्म शूट कर रहा हूँ। गुजराती में है ना? आई एम प्रैक्टिसिंग दैट। परफेक्ट। आई स्टिल हैव दोस डार्क्स, बट एनीवेज। सो दिस इज अ पिक्चर फ्रॉम 2014 वेयर आई वाज स्टिल डूइंग कॉल सेंटर जॉब्स। परफेक्ट। सो ये पिक्चर मैंने अभी रिसेंटली पोस्ट किया था, बट जस्ट लुक एट द कैप्शन. इट इज अ लॉन्ग कैप्शन. What I am treating in 2020 for Instagram is I treat that as a blogging plan. Exactly. Write long form captions. People are freaking reading it. Alright? They are reading it. Value, guys. If I sum up everything, thank you so much, sir. If I sum up everything, if you bring value in any shape or form, people will listen to you even if you are not suited and booted. People got connected on that post so much. You know why? Because in the caption what I have mentioned, I never go fancy with my clothes and all those things. Then and now as well. Even though I carry 3 iPhones worth 3 lakh rupees, a MacBook which is a high-end 1 TV, 2.5 lakh. So I carry all those equipments. Why? Because that is my business, that is my investment. That is what I was pampering to the youngsters who are following me. That brought on value, it got shared, it got viral. Anything which brings value connects with you. And that's where there is no specific audience for you. That okay fine, my target audience are dermatologists who are jisko skincare problems and no. Your target audience is everybody, because I just started with my example that if I have my wife, I was watching your content. Why? Because my wife had a problem, so I was connecting with you. That might be also the case. So always keep on contextualizing the content and without worrying about कि कौन वो देख रहा है. You try to contextualize and bring value in the piece of content, and it will surely hit at least 10 people. And if those 10 people are with you, your brand, for at least 3 months, अपने pocket में है boss, वो loyal follower होंगे. Yes sir.
See, Dr. Gitanjali has got 2 Facebook page.
Okay.
One is of her clinic and one is personal. Okay. So is it true that Facebook never give you reach of your business page? That is something I know here.
Before I answer that, I categorize Facebook में अंदर जो होता है into 3 different things. First is Facebook pages, or we can show it over here. So if I go into my personal news feed, so when this is the normal feed, ठीक है? Everybody sitting over here, including me and the entire world who are using Facebook, they come on Facebook and they see this as the first screen, whether they are on mobile, tabs or desktop. This is the feed. Now when they are on this feed, you see this right button. So this is Facebook personal profile, where you add friends, where you don't do business. सबसे पहला crucial, you don't do business on this profile. To run advertisements, you need Facebook page, not the profile. So now over here you get all these options. So whenever there's a brand account, you will get options like create group, create page, and create what? बस दो ही होते हैं. Alright, create page and create groups. Inside that you get categories like community and everything. So, and because you can clearly see over here, ठीक है? The organic part. And there is third option obviously, which is create ad, but that is inorganic. So when we are talking about manage pages or create page, over there, try to have one page, and then if you still think, as the sir was asking, that if you should I go with 2-3 pages or not, it's the same once again. So try कि कहाँ पर आपको engagement ज़्यादा आ रहा है over a period of 30 days, 90 days. anything which I personally do split testing for myself or my clients, I always go for a period of 90 days with consistent content without a Sunday off. I understand if you are getting started, you take Sundays off. I don't mind. But consistent period of 90 days. Whatever happens in these two accounts, then I'll say, okay, fine, यहाँ पर कुछ तो ज़्यादा हो रहा है, यहाँ पर कुछ लोग आ रहे हैं ज़्यादा. But Facebook has nothing to do with it. Facebook has nothing to do with it if you have this account and that account. It has nothing to do with it.
Even if it is business page and personal page, it doesn't have.
That's what I'm saying, sir. If you create a page, that is a business page for Facebook. It has nothing to do with वो personal है या फिर it is not at all.
I am asking you because I have analyzed many dermatologists' Facebook account where in their clinic page they are posting the same post, very less likes or engagement, and then they share the same post into their personal account and there they get some likes.
That's what I'm saying. Sharing it on personal profile doesn't make any sense because over there your friends are connected.
No.
So it doesn't make any difference. The parameter which you are judging right now for your brand is number of likes.
No, this is just overall. So what I want to say, it is always better to post your content in your business page, not your personal page, right?
Anything which you do with respect to your business, you have to go into pages.
Yeah.
That's it. अगर personal profile पे कर रहे हो ना, don't have any expectations. वहाँ से आ गया तो ओके तुक्का लग गया चला जाए. Right? Yes,
most of my before, after, etc., some testimonial posted there. My friends are now most of my patients because of
exactly. Don't stop doing that. But that is like a poker once again.
Don't expect.
Randomly so if you have time, and obviously we have 24 freaking hours, so we have time. Post कर दो यार. Click, share and double. Second click is like share. Okay, fine. Then don't see that. If you get a call, chalo. Else, forget it.
That video which you took just now on TikTok, have you posted that video?
No. I post because of the tag.
Otherwise, I would like to see how many likes.
You will see after 24 hours for sure. That way you will come to my profile. I'm just kidding. Yeah, please ma'am.
On Facebook page,
वो मैम कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं.
Could you say something about the Google
The mic is
Ads?
not on.
Could you say something about Google Ads?
Google Ads.
Yeah,
What do you want to do?
interesting thing.
Anything like compare?
It's the same. See, I'll tell you. Any ad product, Google ad, Facebook ad, LinkedIn ad. Right now, these are the three ad products on the top. And Instagram ads is run from Facebook ads. So don't think of it as a separate ad tool. These are the three ad platforms. My point is, if you are doing Google ads, they are overpriced. वो CG Road वाली real estate property है versus me giving you Facebook, Instagram ad, which is Club 07 वाली property. So why spend more over there where the ROI is there, but your spend is more. It is like you doing Facebook ads versus television ads right now. So don't do Google ads right now when you're just getting started. When you're just getting started, it's like कि आपने पैसे save किए हैं अपनी career में, and you have 20 lakh rupees. Now you want to buy a home. So out of 20 lakh rupees, if you want to spend all 20 lakh rupees, I will give you two options as a broker. Sir, I have 6 BHK apartment in Adagi Shantigram, which is costing 12 crores, and over here this is 3 BHK nearby Nirma University, which is costing 70 lakh rupees. Which one will you buy? That's the point. Rest, the parameters and everything is same. उसमें भी traffic होता है. You track something, you analyze something, custom audience generate करो, retarget. The ad products are these same. Only the change in interface and the ROI changes based on the platforms how it get moved. बाकी अभी भी चल रहा है, लेकिन बहुत कम marketers हमारे जैसे हैं जो बोलते हैं ये. What most of the marketers do is, whosoever is talking about Google ads, चलो आया एक तो बकरा आया पकड़ लो 3 महीने के लिए पैसे ले लो, फिर बोलेंगे कॉस्टली पड़ रहा है नहीं चलेगा फेसबुक एड. I don't take that. I'm choosy with my clients, and that's the reason why I put less clients, but my fees are like on the top of the.
what about YouTube channel?
YouTube is good. YouTube is a perfect ad product. उसमें भी pre-roll ad. Let me explain you that. What is a pre-roll ad? in YouTube, when you start a video, you see that शुरू में एक ad आती है, which you can skip in 5 seconds. Alright? That is pre-roll ad. If you see any ad between the video, जहाँ पर वो yellow color का एक line होता है छोटा सा timeline में, those kind of videos are known as in-slate videos. And the end video is like end of the video. ये सारी ads होती है. Pre-roll ads are the best ads right now. If you are talking about the YouTube ad, not the best out of all. YouTube pre-roll ads, just one targeting I will explain. Let's suppose if somebody is searching for how to reduce pimple. I'll show you. How to reduce pimple. I'm a layman. I have no clue about dermatologist, but I've just searched for this. ठीक है? And I'm scrolling. See, Google ads जो बात कर रहे थे अभी. Did I even see these ads? So the attention is very less. So why do ads over there? Now, यहाँ पर मैं जाता हूँ. How to remove pimples, pimple treatment, blah blah blah. Nykaa का कोई article है. So if I'm going over there, I'm interested. Okay, fine. I'm reading this. Now, internet is just considering this behavior. Especially, I came from Google. Alright? So, Google is tracking this cookie. Now, when I go into Google Ad Prompt, I don't have a dummy account, I have a client account which I can't show of Google Ads. But when you go into Google Ads, if you go into create campaign and video campaign, when you select targeting, उसमें चीजें आती है keywords. वो keywords में, if you write, you want to target what did I type over here on Google? How to reduce pimple? I can target all those searches. Now what will happen is, if I am targeting those searches, my ad would be such. Hey guys, so you were searching last night how to reduce pimples on Google, and here are 5 tips. This took me what, 5 seconds. They would skip the video. Because before they skip, you only get 5 seconds. So the initial 5 seconds now should be super crucial so that they don't skip. They might be watching Kapil Sharma show. They might be watching Big Boss ke recaps. And all of a sudden you are coming up as a pre-roll. Hey, so probably you were looking for how to reduce pimples in past 24 hours. So here is a free ebook you can download and then you can watch the video which you are looking for. You can also target Big Boss videos only or channel videos only. So let's suppose Salman Khan का कोई वीडियो है या Big Boss का जो भी channel name होता है. You can target specific channel names. Sony TV, let's say, or Sub TV. तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा, ठीक है? Sub TV की जो channel है ना, you can target that channel and then put तारक मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा, and your ad will say, hey, before you watch this episode of Jethalal, here is a quick ebook because you were looking for that last night. Now back to the video. Contextual content is the gateway to winning your brand. You don't create this kind of content. What you do is create content of client bonus, clinic pay, I have 50% off, and all those things. You don't bring value. Do ads on value, which is equal to what? Branding and marketing ads. It will eventually lead to you getting sales, more and more sales. I bet you on that. Yes.
In Facebook, I have clicked on Facebook ad where it is general, directive ad, direct me to the landing page, and the other type of Facebook ad where they capture data from my Facebook account. So how to go for that?
You have 11 types of ads which I just showed you on Facebook.
Yes, yes.
So over here,
And do they charge more for that type of ad?
I would be the first speaker probably जिसके लिए buzzer दो बार बजा.
Do they charge more for that type of ad?
No. It's purely based on your ad creative, जिसके ऊपर से आपका cost per lead या cost per click decide होगा.
तो डेटा कैप्चर करना है उसका कोई ज्यादा चार्ज नहीं है.
I'll tell you.
Yes.
When you go over here, it is this lead generation campaign. So when you click on this lead generation campaign, this got introduced in Facebook probably in 2016, I suppose. So earlier what used to happen, people used to click on the ad, they used to go to landing page and they used to fill up the form so that you get the lead. They introduced this to reduce that friction ताकि मार्क जकरबर्ग को ज्यादा पैसा मिले. Once again, so over here if I click on continue and if I go ahead, let's suppose we have selected all the targeting and everything. In the ad creative over here, we get this form. So if I click on new form, I get these questions जो यहाँ पर बना सकता हूँ. So let's say intro, which is optional. I don't want that. I have selected the image, so यहाँ पर image आएगा, वो form खुलेगा तो. Then I can input the questions over here itself. So let's say I go into questions. I can put up a nice little headline over here. So let's say free ebook, or let's say 10 tips to reduce pimples. I don't know why I'm fancy about pimples right now. But anyways, 10 tips to reduce pimples. And I'll say free download, just to entice the visitor. Then email चाहिए मुझे, full name चाहिए, and I can add more questions as well. Now this is the magic. You can add like as much questions as you can based out on your creativity. You can have demographic questions, you can have work information. Let's suppose if you are targeting specifically job titles, जैसे parents को हमने target किया था, तो you can just go into marital status as well. Alright, वो directly यहाँ पर feed हो जाएगा. So this is just one possibility which I am showing you. This is like endless loop. जितना भी आपको डालना है डालो. But my observation is, Facebook introduced this ad to remove the friction. If you put more questions over here, it will be once again the same and they might bounce back. Second thing, I don't recommend this too much. If you have good budget, don't do this. If you have less budget, maybe. But if you have big budget, have a landing page and thank you page so that you can track everything. Over here as well you can track. But the only problem is, let's suppose आपकी ad मैंने देखी. You had this lead generation campaign. If I click on this, it gets auto-filled. But my email ID which I'm using over here is like a dummy email which I never use on Facebook. So you are getting like not fake leads, but you are getting random, like less quality leads. Because people are so busy, if they click and if that is auto-filled, they won't change it. वो submit कर देंगे. So that's the reason I told you, Mark Zuckerberg का नया पैसा कमाने का ये एक ad campaign. So it is not recommended when you have a good budget and a strategy to follow over a year. So that's the